Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this Instant Glitz Sweet Roll China Dang and Bun hairstyle. It's a two-piece type of hairstyle that's super simple to do, so if you're interested in seeing how I did it, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what the hairstyle looks like when it comes out of the box. Like I said, it is a two-piece hairstyle. It is from my favorite online beauty supply, which is samsbeauty.com. But by two pieces, I mean the bangs come in one package and the bun is in another. So I'm starting off with my hair that is freshly washed. I'm straight out of the shower. I love doing these type of protective styles on soaking wet hair because it makes it easier to mold my hair and to get it small enough to cover my hair with these type of fake buns and hair pieces. So I'm going to be using the BioSilk Hydrating Therapy collection to moisturize my hair today. I'm going to start off with their Pure Moisture Leave-In Spray. I love this stuff. I do not usually like hair sprays that are leave-in conditioners, like spray leave-in conditioners, but this one works really well because it's really thick. It's not just, like water, spraying water on your hair. It does have some nice consistency with it. So I am taking a Tangle Teaser now, and I'm just using that to smooth the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair. Then I'm going to take the BioSilk Hydrating Therapy Rich Moisture Mousse. I love this stuff. Smells so good. The packaging is so huge and it's so nice. So I'm just going to take a generous amount of that, as you can see, and that's going to help mold my hair down around the edges, the flat part that I'm trying to get up into a bun. It's going to help me get it nice and silky and smooth and get that, nice silky sleek type of look. So now I'm going to take the infamous Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel, still one of my faves, and I'm going to take a good amount of that, and I'm also going to use that around the flat part of my head, the hair that I want flat, the scalp, I don't know what you call it, all around the base of the ponytail bun that I'm making, and that's just going to help smooth the hair also. So off camera, I did put my hair into a high bun. I figured that's very self-explanatory. Just get your hair into the highest, smallest, sleekest bun that you can get it into. And then I suggest tying it down with a silk scarf for about 10 minutes because it will lay any flyaways that you have down and just make it look all the more sleeker. So I have the Sweet Rolls medium-sized bun right here that I'm going to apply over my real bun. And a lot of people ask me, why do you do this? You have enough hair to just use your real bun. But when I do a protective style like this, it does make it so I do not have to redo my real hair every day. I am not manipulating my real hair. It's less manipulation, and I have found that is the key to growing long, beautiful, luscious, natural hair. So as you can see, I applied the Sweet Rolls bun over my real bun, and I'm pinning it in place with some bobby pins, and I did draw that drawstring tight because it is a drawstring bun. So now we're going to go in with the sweet bangs. So there's a sweet roll and now there's sweet bangs. And I'm going to take that and apply that to the front area of the bun, right in front of the bun, and let it hang down on my forehead. These bangs are so cute. They're like a China bang, real blunt. They do come down a little bit on the sides. So it's really, really cute. On the back of the bangs, as you can see, there are 3 clips, one at the top in the center and then one on the sides lower down. You're going to clip all of those clips into your scalp, like that's at the front of your head, right behind your hairline, to make sure they lay nice and flat. And then that's it. You just clip them in and you are ready to go. And make sure that the bun and the bangs are connected so it just looks like, one continuous hairstyle, which is very simple to do. And that's it. So now I'm going to take one of my favorite edge controls, which is the 601 Edge Slayer. And I'm going to take a generous amount of that and put that all over my edges and on the back of my hair, just to make the hairstyle look all the more sleek and all the more cute. And yeah, that's it. The last finishing touch that I want to do to this hairstyle is take the BioSilk Hydrating Therapy Maracuja Oil. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to apply that to the bangs and also to the back of my head on the sides and everything, just to give it that extra shine and sheen. And that is it, guys. That is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please check the description box below so you can see how you can get this hairstyle. This hairstyle is literally $8.99, and it's something very handy to have. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and also click that bell beside the subscribe button if you did enjoy this video, and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.